Hello, peoples.
Hello, peoples. This is
I
us.
don't know if you can see me. You can only see him. Maybe.
You see him?
Okay, now you can see me. Okay.
You see me? You see him?
So for now, we play the wrestling, the WWE 12. See up there?
With the baby.
That one.
WT12.
Okay. So we do that one. Don't grab it, you newbist. And what else we do? Oh yeah, I might do some Assassin's Creed.
Yeah, Christmas.
With a D, and some
GTA.
Some GTA.
Call of Duty.
No, I don't like that game.
No. We need
I
Minecraft.
might do some
Minecraft.
maybe some Team Fortress 2, man.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
I do that one, but he can't play because he's like, well, how much stuff do I have to download to play this game?
Because I got the Mac computer.
Yeah, he has the Mac, the stupid Mac.
The computer.
Actually, I'm holding my finger right now. See, and this is the pretty gay vlog. Usually, people talk about their life. So you know, we're gonna give you for a
show
tour.
me.
Yeah,
show
we're
me.
gonna give you a tour. A tour.
Hey, look, I'm
So right now,
see, I'm the midget.
This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. You know, you sit on this man. You're pretty yummies. This right here. This is my peacock. This is my peacock. You know, his head's in there actually. And I'll show you something else. Oh yeah, this is the remote that I usually use.
Yeah, this is the
Oh
broken
wait, just play two. Wait, just play one. This is the remote that I usually use.
This
The one of the grinders.
That broken couch we broke.
Brandon broke it when he did like a 360.
You did the right slam on me.
Why did you kill
Now this outside. Well, I tried to throw my picture over there. The TV, the kitchen, the fridge, everyone. We're getting renovation here. The floor done. The gay blood. We don't talk about that life. We don't talk about
the vlog all about. So actually, my name is CJ. I say my name every day. But anyway, this kid is not called Brandon.
It's
Brandine.
The
DBRADINE. And today we're going to the farm, and that'll take like a couple of hours because we're on the East Coast, represent. And the Bondi, see the very good blue sky, no snow here in Australia.
That's what's called Australia.
There's no snow. Only like in some part of Australia.
Maybe.
Probably like the fake snow, you know, just get the ice and chuck it in the wagon, you know, crush it up, just peg it in there. People like, oh, there's snow here in Australia now. But everybody like, no. These guys are crying. He's like, man, you ain't the Asian. Even, yeah, I'm actually like European. And,
Yeah, man, you're punk.
And,
You know the blog? I don't know. First blog. Hope you like it.
so you know.
No, thank you.
Darkness, intro, darkness and redness and what?
Thank you for watching.
Darkness again.
Hope you like.
What's Tobusky say? Then you can see intro, darkness, redness, what is
The bubble. We do another video.
Do some sort. Intro, darkness and redness, I want it.
Oh, darkness. Wait.
And redness.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed please like, subscribe, and everything. Watch our videos. Thank you very much.
I might do NBA 2K 12.
That's sick. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe.